457 awesome people on this channel. In this one I'm gonna give you a Lightroom preset pack for free. Basically you will receive 5 black and white presets that I created for myself, and I wanted to give it to you as a thank you for all the support that I'm getting on this channel. So go and download them for free, as I said, and use them to create awesome black and white images. Also, you can find cinematic parse for Premiere Pro, the animated ones and the static ones. It's also for free. I'll try to update shop constantly with free stuff as well as paid stuff if you want to support the channel. So basically this is it. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for all the support, and I just wanted to give something in return. So this is it. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome. I'm curious, can we push the channel to 500 subs in next few weeks? All the likes, comments and shares will be super helpful. Also, I don't know if you noticed or not, the new chair and my back thanks me for that, but I barely fit in this room. I can talk literally hours with the camera. So let's get to the point. I hope you'll like the Lightroom presets that I created for you, and you will use them to create great stuff. Let me know in the comments down below if you like them or not. And basically, this is it. Let's push the channel to 500 subs, and I will see you in the next one. That's what's happening when the video is not scripted.